The 600 PSI Cordless Pressure Washer from PIN combines portability with powerful cleaning capabilities, making it ideal for outdoor car and home maintenance without the hassle of cords. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, this pressure washer provides up to 45 minutes of continuous operation, ensuring ample time to tackle various cleaning tasks. The washer features a versatile 6-in-1 nozzle and a standard nozzle, offering multiple spray patterns and angles to effectively address different cleaning needs. With a maximum water pressure of 600 psi and a water reach of up to 275 inches, this washer is capable of removing stubborn dirt and grime from hard-to-reach areas. Its wide range of applications includes cleaning not only vehicles but also patios, fences, walls, and other challenging surfaces, enhancing its practicality for diverse cleaning projects. The pressure washer's lightweight design and comprehensive accessory kit further enhance its usability, making it a convenient choice for both residential and outdoor cleaning tasks.